G'day guys, we're here with Scott Gollan, salesman at Moore Trailers in Pittsworth, Queensland. Scott, how you finding truck show?
Yeah, big nights, good days.
Big nights and good days, we hear that. We've got here Scott early in the morning on the day after first day, so Friday morning.
Second night fever.
Second night fever, glad to hear it, mate. Scott, what are we standing in front of?
One of our 33-foot grain tippers. It's pretty blacked out. Special build for the customer, yeah.
Midnight run special is what I've been saying.
Yeah,
it looks cool.
Yeah, no, it's come up well.
Tippers into rural, that's mostly what you're doing?
Yeah, we do a bit of everything. Tippers, side tippers, grain tippers, water tankers, drop decks, fair variety,
Yeah, but all in that bulk haulage space?
Yeah, pretty well, yeah.
Awesome.
Bit of general sort of side as well.
Yep. Most of the customers in Queensland?
Mainly down the east coast, sort of, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria.
Yeah, cool.
Got a few over in the west now, so.
All right, and tell me, what are you guys pushing out, say, per month? How many trailers are leaving the manufacturing shop?
Trying to do about 30 a month.
30 a month, yeah, good numbers. So you must have a few staff on helping you.
132 or something like that. 132.
Yeah. Well, out in Pittsworth.
Yep.
So you're employing all of Pittsworth.
Yeah, and Coomber and Mulmerran and
pulling them in from wherever they are.
Yeah, everywhere. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay. What's some of the new stuff you got coming? Anything new you brought on? Any new designs?
We just built some 9-bale cotton trailers. We're in the process of working. They're out getting tested now. And,
yeah, right.
It might pop up on social media soon.
Yeah, cool. Well, we'll be keeping an eye out for it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, good. How do you find working at Moore? Been there for a while?
In August will be 19 years.
So a couple of years, yeah. Spring chicken there?
Yeah. Straight out of school, year 10 work experience and never left. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Oh, they must treat you all right.
Yeah, no, they're good.
Yeah, cool. And you got a lot of repeat customers who come through?
Yeah.
Building trailers for the same guys?
Yeah, pretty well, yeah.
This company, what number is this, do you know?
Well, that's his 30th truck, so you add A doubles and AB triples into that, so there's, probably nearly 90 odd bits of gear there.
90 bits of gear, so you guys use a lot of your local community and businesses to do a fair bit of
the
work.
truck was fitted out in Pittsworth as well. PFM, they do a really good job. There's a lot of nice trucks coming out of there. The owner Jimmy's a massive Cody Jinks fan, so all these trucks are all named after Cody Jinks songs. And that's he's airbrushing on the back there.
What's the name for this one then?
Fast Hand.
Fast
on
Hand.
the bonnet there.
Fast Hand on the bonnet. Gonna grab a look.
But no, it's definitely a showstopper.
What sort of suspension are you guys tend to use?
The main one's Hendrickson.
Yep.
We use different either Hendrickson suspension axles or K-hitch axles.
Yep.
Do a bit of BPW, that sort of stuff. Yeah,
cool.
But no, it's definitely a showstopper.